On this video, we'll talk about addition, subtraction, and scalar multiplication with matrices. And we'll use the matrices we created in the last video as examples. So let's start with addition. Addition in matrices is fairly straightforward. The corresponding elements of each matrix are added together, and a new matrix is produced. So what we can do is we can go to our matrices, and let's select A plus matrix B. We'll use the method we used for selecting these in the past video. So we select matrix A, we select matrix B, we hit enter, and that's how we add two matrices together. So each of the corresponding elements are added together to give us this new matrix. Now, because the corresponding elements are added together, we need two matrices of the same size, so they have corresponding elements. So if you remember from the last video, we made two matrices that were both 2 by 3s and a matrice that was a 2 by 2. So what we'll do is we'll see what happens if we try to add matrix A and matrix C together. And so what we get is a dimension mismatch, which makes sense because they don't have the same corresponding elements, so we can't add them together. Now we can also subtract using this exact same method. So we'll go to matrix, select matrix A, then we can subtract, go back to matrix and select matrix B, and we can subtract those two matrices. So very straightforward, not too difficult at all. We can also do scalar multiplication, which means we will multiply a matrix by a constant. So let's say we wanted to take matrix A. Let's just review what matrix A looks like. So it's 4, 6, -2, 0, 1, and 5. So let's say we wanted to multiply each of those by 2. So what we can do is multiply the entire matrix by 2. So we'll do 2 times, and we'll select matrix A. And so we can see the resulting matrix is just each of those numbers multiplied by 2.